Kids Learning Fair.
Hello, kids! Welcome! Today, we are going to learn the table of 13 in a fun and exciting way. Stay with me till the end for a guessing adventure.
Yay!
Let's start learning the table of 13. 13 ones are 13.
13 ones are 13.
13 twos are 26.
13 twos are 26.
13 threes are 39.
13 threes are 39.
13 fours are 52.
13 fours are 52.
13 fives are 65.
13 fives are 65.
13 sixes are 78.
13 sixes are 78.
13 sevens are 91.
13 sevens are 91.
13 eights are 104.
13 eights are 104.
13 nines are 117.
13 nines are 117.
13 tens are 130.
13 tens are 130.
Let's repeat with me and you become a maths master. 13 ones are 13.
13 ones are 13.
13 twos are 26.
13 twos are 26.
13 threes are 39.
13 threes are 39.
13 fours are 52.
13 fours are 52.
13 fives are 65.
13 fives are 65.
13 sixes are 78.
13 sixes are 78.
13 sevens are 91.
13 sevens are 91.
13 eights are 104.
13 eights are 104.
13 nines are 117.
13 nines are 117.
13 tens are 130.
13 tens are 130.
You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing and soon you'll master the table of 13. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.